Hi, in front of me is Lenovo Tab E10, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. First of all, you need to download your new defaults. I already did that, so I can go into devices settings right away. In those settings, select Apps and Notifications. Scroll all the way down and hit Advanced at the bottom. Then click on Default Apps. Finally, you can tap on one of those sections that you wish to manage, in my case, Browser app, and tap on the one that you wish to apply. When you finished, just go back. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!